In this video, we will discuss exporting points. If you would like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0310 exportingpoints.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. To export points in Civil3d, you use the export points functionality in conjunction with the point file formats defined in your drawing. We will also discuss how you can actually translate a point file to a different format if you need to. To export points, you can right-click in the Prospector tab, Points Collection category, and select the Export option from the shortcut menu. Also, if you want to simply export a point group, you can right-click on the point group as well and choose the Export Points option from the shortcut menu. Let's go ahead and select all the points from the file. Right-click on Points and choose Export from the shortcut menu. Notice that you are prompted for the point file format to select from the drawing. Again, these are stored in the current DWG file. Choose the destination file by clicking the Browse button. And again, notice how you can actually select a point group to limit the point exporting. I'll click OK, and my point file is exported. To view this file, you can usually just open this up in a Notepad or whatever text editor is your default text editor. There is also an option to transfer points. Let's go ahead and right-click on the points collection and choose the transfer option. So what Civil3d is asking you to do is first choose the point file format for a file that you want to translate to. And the purpose of this functionality is to, let's say, send this file out to someone who uses a different software application and wants to use the XYZ point file format. So I'll go ahead and select the format that I need and choose the destination file for this. Click OK, and now I have another point file in this folder that was translated to the XYZ type format. This concludes this video discussing exporting points.